Are you eating the snow that's on the floor? Why are you eating the snow on the floor? Why are you doing that? Is that good? Is that good? Does that taste good, you big goofball? Yeah, there's more over there on the other rug. Yeah. Riley. Riley, what are you doing? Stop, Ellie. James.
What? She's eating snow.
Off the carpet.
She already ate like a whole part.
Whatever.
I don't think we're going to win Parents of the Year for this one.
Why not? Oh.
America's Funniest Home Videos?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, come on, tell Mommy to come here.
Riley, come on me to go in the kitchen.
Alright, come on.
I'll let it.
Too late. Come on.